Hello everyone at Fanpage.it. My name is Bhatti. I'm the PES Global Product and Brand Manager, and I'm going to be taking you through the big changes coming to PES 2018, the Super 7. So number one is the Gameplay Masterclass. Obviously, gameplay is the most important aspect of PES. The key change is that the game is slower. It's a simulation. It's much more real now. We've allowed you to dictate the pace with some new features, such as the auto protect, which allows you to protect the ball from opposing players. There's a new ball physics as well, which are slower. They're more realistic. One of the key changes to finish off with the Gameplay Masterclass is the dribbling. This is extremely important. Obviously, for PES, it's about controlling the player accurately. Number two of the Super 7 is the animation engine. It's allowed us to completely change the base layer, which means that how the player walks, how they turn, how they go from a jog to a run has been completely changed. It gives you a fresh experience. So while we of course will be adding new passing and shooting animations, this base layer completely changes the look of the game. Their faces look fantastic, but also their physique. Certain players will be getting tattoos as well. We actually capture the stadium day and night. So what you see is real data from daytime and nighttime. We have recreated that scene from the locker room to the pitch. Number three is the PES League integration coming into PES 2018, but it does include some of the new modes that we're bringing in, one of which is online co-op, which is actually the number 4 of the Super 7. Online co-op is our 3v3. Now 3v3 is vital for us this year. Now what the game does is that it will capture the data of your playstyle and how you perform as well. So when you go online, when you're playing online, it will record everything. So when you and your friends play online together in a 3v3, it will collect the data. So you can actually rank against each other and compete against each other while playing on the same team. What this allows you to do is when you do play in the PES League competitively, people can see your rating, they can see your ranking, and they might even ask you to leave that team and come join their team. Number 5 is the random selection match. So this was last seen in PES 6, and this mode is where you can select 3 to 4 random teams, and it gives you a random selection of players. What we've brought to PES 2018 is something a little bit different, which is once you finish, there's a trade system where you can try and steal your friends or your opponent's best players. It's like a rock, paper, scissors. You have to guess who they want, and you can block it, and vice versa. You can go for one of their players. When you experience it, it's a lot of fun. We've also brought huge changes to Master League, which is a very important mode for all the fans. So for example, with that, we've completely changed the menu system. We've brought in a new transfer system, which includes a release clause. We've also brought in brand new cutscenes as well. So when you sign a player, when you are just going before a really big match, you'll get a press conference as well, giving you a managerial, authentic feel and making you feel like you're part of the club and really are under the pressure of managing a top football team. Number 6 of the Super 7 is the presentation overhaul. Now, we always listen to our fans, and they've been telling us to really improve the menu flow, and it's very important for us to update that visual side. And what we've done here, as I mentioned in the number 5, is we've focused on adding the real player images. Now you'll see this for all the players inside the game that are obviously real. So you'll see them in game plan, you'll see them in my club, all with the real photo. And finally, maybe a personal favorite, number 7 of the Super 7 is PC New Gen. Now for many years now, the fans have been asking for PC to be of the same quality of PS4 and Xbox One. And I'm really happy to say that not only have we done that, it's actually even better if your PC is powerful enough. We really have made the PC version the best version, and I'm really happy for all the PC fans. Thank you so much for your patience.